I just need a credit card and some ID, please.
Sure.
Sorry, miss, but my computer shows that your credit card's been canceled.
We need to go to the Amarillo.
This is gonna take me another minute.
Excuse me, cowboy.
No.
Miss, I'm looking for my friend. You know, the guy I was talking to before.
You mean that guy who threw the dog at you?
Yeah, what a kid, always playing jokes. Can you tell me where he's going?
Amarillo.
Amarillo?
Amarillo, yeah, but our last flight just left and he didn't get his ticket. Sister, that boy can bid me any way he wants.
Salsa lessons?
No, Amy, I swear it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go with you. We start tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night?
Yeah, May 5th's gonna get here quick, girl. They got the best burritos in town, girl, and they are dirt cheap. You're trying to pick us up.
No, unless you come.
Ooh. Listen, do you think that you could get it started for me so I could take it to the stop and wash?
Carol, I can take a look, but we're the police, okay? We're not AAA, okay? I'll try to help out, but...
Well, I'm just asking you to stop being a cop for like 2 minutes, you know? And help me out.
Wonderful.
We'll add music, have a nice little fanfare. You like Yanni?
Hate him with every fiber of my being.
Oh, good, we're in perfect sync. And then we'll have small-scale tables set with china and a silver tea service, little plates, little cups, and 12 little chairs for all of them to sit on.
That's so cute.
Yeah. All right, well, I'll order everything, and all you have to do is show up.
The girls are looking forward to this. So are the dolls. I really think this is enough about Tina. I think you wanted to talk about employees. After this meeting, Byron and I have another meeting, and after that meeting, you should all begin calling me Victoria Kuntz.